Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Class 7. Today, we're diving into element number 4.2, which is a critical aspect of workplace safety, incident investigations. We'll explore why we investigate incidents, the different types of incidents we encounter, levels of investigation, the steps involved in a basic investigation, and the importance of recording and reporting. Reasons for investigations. Why investigate? Let's start with the reasons behind incident investigations. When something goes wrong, it's not enough to fix the immediate problem and move on. We need to dig deeper. Here's why. Identify the immediate and root causes. We don't just want to know what happened. We want to know why it happened. This involves uncovering both the obvious, immediate causes and the underlying factors that may have contributed. Prevent recurrence. The main goal is to prevent future incidents. By identifying causes, we can create strategies and safety measures to ensure the same incident doesn't happen again. Collect and record evidence. This is crucial for legal and regulatory compliance. Proper documentation supports investigations and can be referred to in the future. Legal and insurance purposes. Reporting incidents is often a legal requirement, and clear records help when filing insurance claims. It ensures the organization is protected both legally and financially. Staff morale. Taking incidents seriously shows employees that their safety is a priority, which builds trust and boosts morale. Disciplinary purposes and data gathering. Investigations can highlight the need for corrective actions or additional training and provide valuable data to enhance overall safety strategies. Types of incidents. Different types of incidents. Now that we know why investigations are so important, let's go over the types of incidents we might encounter. Accidents. An accident is an unexpected, unwanted event that results in injury, damage, or loss. There are two types of accidents. Injury accidents. These are incidents where someone gets hurt. For example, a cut from a sharp object or a fall causing a broken bone. Damage-only accidents. These involve damage to property but no personal injuries. For instance, if machinery damages a wall, that's a damage-only accident. Near miss. A near miss is an unplanned event that could have caused harm or damage but didn't. Imagine a heavy object that almost falls on someone. Luckily, no one was hurt, but it easily could have resulted in an injury. Dangerous occurrence. Dangerous occurrences are specific incidents that must be reported by law because they have the potential to cause serious harm. A good example is a significant gas leak or a structural failure. Even if no one is injured, these are considered serious events and require prompt reporting. Work-related ill health. This category includes illnesses or conditions directly caused by work activities, like respiratory issues from inhaling dust or dermatitis from exposure to irritants. Investigating these cases helps us identify any hazardous processes that might need adjustments. 3. Level of investigation. Levels of investigation. Not every incident requires the same level of investigation. The severity of the incident will determine the depth of the investigation. Minimal investigation. This is usually handled by the immediate line manager and doesn't take a lot of time. It's suitable for minor incidents where quick corrective actions are clear. Low-level investigation. A bit more time and effort go into these, often involving the line manager with some additional support. Low-level investigations are for slightly more serious incidents. Medium-level investigation, here. A middle manager takes the lead, with substantial time and resources dedicated to understanding the incident. This is used for incidents with moderate risk or impact. High-level investigation. For serious incidents, senior management oversees the investigation. A team approach is often used, with significant time and resources invested to thoroughly analyze all aspects of the incident. Basic investigation procedure. Steps in the investigation process. When conducting an investigation, following a structured process is crucial to ensure nothing is overlooked. Here's a 4-step approach. Step 1, gather information first. We need to gather as much factual information as possible. This includes securing the scene. We make sure the area is safe for investigators, preventing further harm. Identifying witnesses. Finding those who saw what happened can provide first-hand information. Collecting evidence, this includes photos, equipment involved, and environmental conditions. Interviewing witnesses. Conducting interviews is an important part of gathering information, and we'll touch on techniques for this in just a moment. Step 2, analyze the information after gathering all the facts. We analyze them to understand what happened. Immediate causes. We look for unsafe actions or conditions that led to the incident. Root causes. These are deeper, underlying reasons like gaps in training or lack of proper supervision that allowed unsafe conditions to develop in the first place. Step 3, identify suitable control measures. Once we understand what went wrong, we can identify specific actions to prevent recurrence. For immediate causes, immediate measures like cleaning a spill or replacing a guard are straightforward and help address the direct cause. For root causes, more complex actions are needed to address deeper issues, often requiring changes in policies, training, or even the management system. Step 4, plan the remedial actions. Finally, we plan the remedial actions. We prioritize dangerous conditions that need immediate attention, implement interim measures if necessary, and develop a timeline for addressing root causes. This phase often requires effort, time, and sometimes funding. Witness interview techniques. Interviewing witnesses. Interviewing witnesses is a critical part of gathering information. Here are some effective techniques. Choose a quiet room with no distractions to put the witness at ease. Establish rapport with the witness to make them comfortable and open to sharing details. Explain the purpose of the interview. Make it clear that this is about understanding what happened, not placing blame. Ask open questions. Use questions like who, what, where, when, why, and how, and to get detailed responses. Keep an open mind. Avoid jumping to conclusions or assuming what happened. Take notes and ask for a written statement to ensure accurate documentation. Finally, thank the witness for their time and cooperation. Document examination. Examining documents. Documents give a background and context to the incident. Important records to examine include company policy and risk assessments. These provide insight into the expected safety standards. Training and maintenance records indicate whether workers were adequately trained and if equipment was maintained. Previous accident reports may show patterns or recurring issues that need addressing. Recording and reporting requirements. Why recording and reporting are important. Recording and reporting incidents are essential for compliance and accountability. Recording. This is about documenting the incident details. It's a factual record that becomes part of the organization's history of safety issues. Reporting informs people that an incident has occurred and, depending on severity, it may involve internal departments or even external agencies. Internal incident reporting within the organization. Key figures include directors, HR, health and safety advisors, and worker representatives. External reporting. This could involve notifying the casualty's family, regulatory authorities, insurance companies, or public relations if the incident is significant enough. Incident recording and the accident book. The accident book. The minimum standard for incident recording is an accident book. Key details to record include name and address of the casualty, date, time, and location of the accident, description of injuries and the event causing the injury, names of witnesses and their contact details, information on any equipment or substances involved, externally reportable events for certain incidents like fatalities, major injuries, or lost time injuries. There is a legal obligation to report these to regulators. Investigating, recording, and reporting incidents is a structured process, but it's essential for understanding and preventing incidents. By following these steps, we create a safer workplace for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights, and we'll see you in the next video. So guys, that's all for today. Take care and goodbye.